Want to watch Instagram Reels at double speed and save time? Imagine finishing your favorite Reels twice as fast without missing a beat. I'll show you the secret trick to instantly speed up any Instagram Reel. Hi, I'm Preyo Phonie, and today I'll teach you how to watch Instagram Reels at 2x speed like a pro. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. Check that your app is updated for the latest Reels features. Opening Instagram correctly is the first step to mastering this trick. Step 2. Go to the bottom navigation bar and tap the Reels icon. This opens the Reels feed with all the trending videos. Make sure your connection is stable for smooth playback. Being in the Reels section is essential to apply the 2x speed hack. If this hack is helping you, hit that like button, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and tap the bell icon so you never miss the latest Instagram tips and tricks. Step 3. Press and hold the right side of the Reel video to double the speed. The video will instantly play at 2x, saving you time and boosting your viewing efficiency. This trick works on all Reels without changing your settings permanently. Now you can enjoy your favorite content faster while keeping up with trends. Watching Instagram Reels at 2x speed is that easy. Follow these steps and you'll never waste time scrolling again. Stay ahead, watch more content, and enjoy Instagram like a pro. Keep following Preyo Phonie for more expert social media hacks and time-saving tricks.